Question is, Abdul, while driving to school, compute the average speed for his trip to be. So average we have is equal to 20 kilometer hour inverse. Okay. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and the average speed is okay. For returning home, average speed is changing, and that is double because of less traffic. Yes. So have inverse. Now what is the average speed for Abdul's trip? Okay, so here we need to find this total average speed, right? Now distances are same, velocities are different, right? So here Abdul is going to school with this speed, and it returns back this with this speed 40, and this is 20, right? So whenever we have two different speeds for the same distance, distances are same. So we can write that velocity for first. See, if we are talking about first, v1 is equal to distance upon t1, right? And v2 is equal to again distance upon t2, right? Now d and t, right? So t1, if we took t1 subject, t1 is equal to d upon v1, right? And t2 is equal to d upon v2. Now total timing. So average speed is equal to total distance covered by the object, means 2d upon total timing. Timing means t1 plus t2. Okay, so is equal to now 2d upon t1. What is t1? D upon v1. What is t2? D upon v2, right? Now this d is common and cut it out with this d, so dd's are cancel out. Now I am just clear the screen. If you want to screenshot this screen, just screenshot, and now see what happens. V is equal to now upper 2 upon 1 upon v1 plus 1 upon v2. This we are left from the previous screen. So v is equal to now 2 upon if we take LCM, then this will become v2 plus v1 upon v1 v2, right? Now is equal to 2, this comes to here, so 2 v1 v2 upon v1 plus v2, right? So by putting direct values here, so 2 into 20 into 40 upon 60, so 800 into 2, 1600 upon 60, one cancel out, right? Then 2, right? 2, then yes, 26, right? 26, and yes, point something like 4, right? Approximately I am writing here. You need to calculate this. So 26.4 kilometer hour inverse, that is our average speed, that is Abdul's average speed for its for his trip, right?